How to remove apps from home screen without deleting the app on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to remove the apps from home screen without deleting the app on Android, all you have to do is just make a long press on the app that you want to remove from the home screen. So for example, if I want to remove the music player app over here, so I'm going to just make a long press on the application and tap on remove, or you can just make a long press on the app and drag it to the upside over here where it shows to remove. Now as you can see, you have already removed the app from the home screen. Now if you want to check if the app has been deleted or not, you can just go up to the app library and search for music player application that we had removed from the home screen. So as you can see here, the app is still there and it's not deleted. It's just been removed from the home screen. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.